Welcome to Home of Math. This video we are going to solve two word problem based on a linear equation. Look, last video, it means earlier video, we already solved two math based on linear equation. This is number 3 and 4. Let's start. So first question, a number is 5 less than twice another. Their sum is 91. Find the numbers. So here is a tricky sentence. It means 5 less than twice another. What does mean? So we can say like this. Let the smaller number, let the smaller number equals to x. Then the other number twice another, 5 less than, it means 2x minus 5. So we have to make twice, x twice means 2x and less 5, and their sum is 91. So x plus 2x minus 5 equals to 91. So we can write x plus 2x minus 5 equals to 91. So x plus 2x, it means 3x equals to 91, and minus 5 become plus 5 in right side. So 3x equals to 96. Okay. So here we can write, divide both side by 3. So 3x divide 3 equals to 96 divide 3. We can write divide both side by 3. So x equals to, here is 3 and 2, it means 32. So one number or a smaller number is x, x means 32. So we can say smaller number x equals to 32. Another number which is 2x minus 5, it means 2 times 32 minus 5, it means 32 times 2 is 64 minus 5, it means this is a 59. So our answer is 32 and 59. I hope you clear this kinds of problem. Second question, it means number 4. Here mentioned the ratio of two numbers is 3:2 and their sum is 75. It means we have two numbers which ratio is 3/2, or we can say 3:2. So in this case we can say, let the numbers 2x and 3x, it means 2x divide 3x. We have to find out the value x, then we can get the ratio. So the sum is 75, it means 2x plus 3x equals to 75. So 5x equals to 75. Now divide both side by 5. So x equals to what? 15. So one number one number 2x equals to 2 times 15, it means 30. Another number 3x equals to 3 times 15, it means 45. Okay, so find the numbers, which is 30 and 45. Look, if we make ratio this one, 30 divide 45, it will become 2 by 3, right? Not right. The ratio like 45 by 30, once you divide both sides by 15, 3 by 2. Okay, so one number is 30, another number is 45. So thank you very much. We are trying to solve two word problem based on linear equation. This is very important. Nowadays it's also important real life problem solving. So this channel I will try to solve these kinds of problem. And no more today. If you think this video is helping you, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.